Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about how to make correct sentences. I need to go to home. Wrong. I need to go home. Correct. Home is an adverb of place, so you don't need a preposition like to prior to home. Everybody were late. Wrong. Everybody was late. Correct. I prefer coffee than tea. Wrong. I prefer coffee to tea. Prefer is always followed by the preposition to. My birthday is in October 10. Wrong. My birthday is on October 10. We use on when indicating a specific date. Like, my birthday is on October 10. This soup isn't enough hot. Wrong. This soup isn't hot enough. Correct. If I'll have time, I'll go home. Wrong. If I have time, I'll go home. Correct. I promise I pay you tomorrow. Wrong sentence. I promise I'll pay you tomorrow. Correct sentence. I look forward to see you. Wrong. I look forward to seeing you. Correct. I like very much skiing. Wrong. I like skiing very much. Correct. She never listens me. Wrong. She never listens to me. Correct. I came to the office by walk. Wrong. I came to the office on foot. Correct. We can say by car, by bike, by or by train. However, we cannot say by walk as it is the foot that is being used to travel and not walk. Hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.